What is a relay and its uses? Watch to the end to get detailed explanation of how a relay works. A relay is a simple and important electronic component, which is used to control two different circuits, but keeps them electrically isolated. Relays allow low-voltage circuits and digital circuits like microcontrollers to switch high-power circuits on and off, but keeping them electrically isolated. As you can see the relay labeled in the circuit here. This relay is made up of a coil which creates a magnetic field when current passes through it. So, when we apply small amount of voltage to the relay, it would build up magnetic field in the coil, which would pull the switch to the closed position, which would then allow current to flow in the other circuit to turn the bulb on. Let's explain the whole circuit. These are two different circuits. A low voltage circuit with a 3 volts DC power supply connected to the coil of the relay. Then we have a high voltage circuit on the other side of the relay connected to a 240 volts AC supply. Which means, the low voltage circuit and the high voltage circuit is not electrically connected. So the low power circuit is powered by a 3 volts DC power supply. The switch here can also be a control from a digital microcontroller. Let's see what happens when we turn the circuit on. You can see that the current from the low power circuit does not flow to the high power circuit. The switch on the high power circuit moved to the closed position when it was magnetically attracted to the relay coil due to the magnetic field that was formed in the coil. So you can see we have a complete circuit on both sides, but they are electrically isolated. The reason why relays are so efficient and important is because it allows digital microcontroller circuits, programs from computers to regulate high-power circuits whilst keeping them electrically isolated. What is a relay and